Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get copper ore in Hytale. Copper ore can be found in caves or just plain old digging downwards and hope for the best. But I'd recommend you that finding yourself a cave opening will be an ideal start to getting copper ore. Copper ore comes in the form of these rocks right here. As long as you see metals protruding outwards from stone, then that's a guaranteed ore. Simply just mine it, and you'll get it for your own use. This will come as either just a single one or an entire cluster like the ones you saw on the screen. Now how to use copper ore exactly? Well, if you have a furnace set up at your base, then simply plop down a copper ore and add in a fuel to melt it down, like wood. Give it some time, and then you'll have yourself precious copper ingots. Copper ingots will open the doors to better tools that will make your life easier. And that's how to get copper ore in Hytale.